is also I discussed, not 1, 2. Okay, initially this 6 meter, 2 meter is there. Then the friction will determine the direction of friction. On both the blocks, will put backward. Oh, that is not correct. No, the friction will act to oppose relative motion. So this is 6 meter, this 2 meter. So velocity of this I'll call A and B. Yeah. Velocity of block A is greater than velocity of block B. So definitely VAB will be towards right. Already since we know, I am giving the direction of friction like this. It's a kinetic friction. FL will write it. Yeah. Limiting or just call kinetic friction it is. Slipping will occur. Then we know that this friction, what it does, it will retard the motion of this block. And it will accelerate this block. Find the net work done by friction. Okay, finally, what will happen finally? After some time, there won't be slipping between the blocks. Somewhere here, they were here, no? So initially, this was the initial point, starting point. Oh, you take it reference. So after some time, there won't be slipping and they'll be moving with a common velocity. Though this is rough, still friction will not act. What's the question asked? Find the net work done by friction. So friction does negative work on the 2 kg block, does positive work on the 4 kg block. Net work done is being asked. So then how much of frictional force? The frictional force acting will be F equal to mu into eight Newton is the frictional force. So with that we'll calculate the retardation. F by 2 minus F by A1 equal to minus F by 2. So 8 by 2 minus 4 meter per second. Acceleration equal to F by 4. This will be 8 by 4. 2 meter per second square. Okay, this will be the acceleration. Then find the net work done by friction. So what we need the displacement of blocks, no? Where the friction will stop seizing. How to get the displacement of block? That's the biggest headache. Now we'll calculate the displacement. What is the shall we say after what time the slipping starts ceasing? Can we calculate this? Yes, we can calculate, no? So V equal to, looking at upper block, V equal to 6 plus A1t. Then for the lower block, V equal to 2 plus A2t. At one instant of time, both will have common velocity. Now let me equate this.
Sir, 6 minus, no?
I'll substitute A1 with sign. No, 2. Okay, this is minus 4 t equal to 2 plus A2 is 2t. Sorry, this has become 6.
6, yes.
6. 4 equal to 60 or t equal to 2 by 3 seconds. We'll calculate the displacements now. So what is x1? Displacement of the block here. Altogether, how much of displacement it has undergone? So x1 equal to A1 t square. X1 is equal to similarly x2 equal to ut t plus a2 t square. Okay, somebody should give values x1 and x2. put in chat box. Okay, net work done by friction is equal to, it does positive work, it does negative work on the block A, and it does positive work on the block B. Anybody value x1, x2?
20 by
20 by
9.
9 meter. x1, x2. Sai, Shripad, mute it, huh? Okay, no, x2, value of x2.
X1 28 by 9.
Yes, sir. 28 by 9.
28 by 9, okay, fine.
Sir, x2 is 20 by 9.
20 by 9 or 16 by 9?
16 by 9, sir.
16 by 9. Yeah, 16 by 9. So this will be 10 into 16 by 9. This is a net work done by friction. Where do this energy, net work done by friction, where do it will go? So friction will take it. What friction will do with this energy will be converted into heat. If you go and check it, no, heat will be generated. That's why you rub your hands against each other. You can see some hotness you can feel, no? When we feel cold, what happen? Chill, if it is there, no? So we'll try to rub our hands. Then you can see some sort of like a hotness will be there. Some heat will be generated. You can see hotness in your palm there. So what actually there? When you rub your palm against each other, hands against each other, no, you can see some sort of like a heat will be generated, and because of heat generated, the temperature of skin will increase, and you can feel like some sort of hotness. I think that's what we do, no, when it's a cold weather. We will try to rub. I think in Hyderabad it happens in winter some few days, no. So what all this we do, what we have to give that one, net work done by friction. Okay, we'll get some value, minus 200 by 9 minus 160 by 9, 40 by 9
Yes, sir.
minus 40 by 9. I got negative. So what to do with negative means this will be converted into heat, converted as
Sir,
heat.
minus 10 into 28 by 9. Sir.
Minus 120 by 9.
28, no, it is. For final answer.
Minus 120.
120.
280, 160. 120 only. Yeah. Converted as heat. Converted as heat at the surfaces of block. Converted as heat and who will absorb this, and this heat will be absorbed, and so what will happen to temperature of blocks will increase here. Friction 8 Newton, no? Oh, okay, carry on, no. I was in previous problem, 10 10 10. Okay, I think do calculation and tell me.
Minus 32 by 3. Sir.
32 by
Minus 32.
minus 32. Yeah.
By 3. Sir.
By 3, sir.
By 3. Make observation. Again, it's a very good. Last sentence is very important because any conceptual question will help us here. Next, when we go for heat and thermodynamics, I'll bring the same problem. I'll ask you find the increase in temperature of the blocks. And due to rise in temperature, the blocks what happen will elongate. I'll ask you find the change in length of the blocks. So nothing, everything what all we learn will be using one or the other way. This is what happens in physics. It's not that this chapter I'll read, I'll forget. What you learn, you're going to apply in the coming chapters.